Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, our standard is 1086. Add and subtract within 20. Demonstrating fluency for addition and subtraction within 10. Our essential question is, what mental strategies can be used to add and subtract within 20? Our I can statement. I can fluently add and subtract within 10. I can use strategies to add and subtract within 20. And for this lesson, you're going to need your BitGo math book, and we're going to be working from pages 85 to 88, your pencil, your listening eyes, and your listening ears. So let's get our books, and we are working on page 85. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to listen and draw. Now remember, yesterday we were working with addition, but our standard says that we can add and subtract. So today we're going to be subtracting. Remember, when we subtract, our numbers become smaller. So you have a whole number that you're taking something away. So let's look at our example. So let's listen. There are 5 birds in a tree. 2 birds fly away. So think about it. There are a total of 5, and then 2 of them fly away. So if they fly away, are they still there? No. How many birds are still in the tree? So we have 2 ways. We can go horizontally writing this number sentence or vertically. So let's draw. All right. So we're going to draw 5, represent our 5 birds, 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many of them flew away? 2 of them flew away. So let's cross them out because they're no longer there. How many birds are still in the tree? So I had 5. I took away 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Very good. Now, how do we write that vertically? 5 minus 2 equals 3. So that's why we have the box right here. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So let's look at the one at the bottom. We're going to listen and draw for this one right here. Steve has 6 crayons. He gives 4 to Matt. How many crayons does Steve have now? So he has 6. Then he's being so nice because Matt is his best friend, he gives him 4. So if he gives him 4, does he still have them? No, he does not. So we're trying to figure out how many Steve has now. So we're going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many did he give to Matt? 4. So let's cross those out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many does he have now? He has 2. So that should be 6 minus 4 equals 2. That is our difference. Our difference is 2. Now let's write that vertically or up and down. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. All right, let's turn the page and let's do some more practicing. Page 86. Let's write this subtraction problem. So how many green and red peppers were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8. There were a total of 8. How many are red? 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Very good. How many birds are there? Count up all of the birds. How many birds do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7. How many of those birds decide to fly away? 4. Very good. 7 minus 4 equals, how many are still there? 3. So let's write this subtraction problem. How many ladybugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 ladybugs. How many ladybugs fly away? 4. So we're not going to count them anymore. So 10 minus 4 equals to 6. All right, these are tomatoes. So how many tomatoes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are a total of 9. I don't need those 2 yellow ones, so I'm going to take those away. So I have 9 minus 2, it equals 7. So I have 7 red. All right. How many cabbages do I have? I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want the green ones, just the purple. So I have 4. I'm taking away minus the 2 green. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now, how many bunnies or rabbits do I see? There are 3. Now, how many am I going to take away? Or how many hop away? 2 hop away. So 3 minus 2 equals, it equals to 1. Very good. All right. Same like we did yesterday, except for today, we're going to find the difference. That means we're going to subtract. So you can use whatever strategy. You can draw circles and cross them out. You can use your fingers. You can just be great at math and know that 2 minus 1 is 1. Whatever it is that you need to do to figure out the difference. So 2 minus 1, I have 2. I take away 1, I have 1. Look at number 6. I have 3. I take away 3. How many do I have? 0. Don't have any. I have 5, and I take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Number 8, I have 7. I take away 3. 1, 2, 3. My difference is 4. Number 9, I have 6. I take away 2. 1, 2. I also have 4. And number 10, I have 10. I take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My difference is 3. So I want you to continue to practice your subtraction fluency. All right, explain how the picture shows subtraction. All right, so these are cherries. So how do we know this is a subtraction problem? What's going on? Okay. How many cherries are there? How many do you take away? So think about that, and I want you to write that and explain how that is a subtraction problem. Let's look at our test prep and our problem solving. All right, draw a picture to show subtraction. Write the subtraction problem to match the picture. So here you can be creative. So I want you to draw a picture that shows subtraction, and I want you to write the subtraction problem for that picture right here. Number 25, write the number sentence. There are 10 ducks are at the pond. All of the ducks fly away. How many ducks are still at the pond? So there are 10 at the pond, and all 10 of them fly away. So how many ducks are still at the pond? And number 26, what is the difference? What is 7 minus 3? I want you to continue to practice your math fluency so that you can become fluent in math. So continue to practice those addition and subtraction facts within 20, and I will see you next time.